Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I am going to show you the Cherry Twigo 2 Pro 2023 model. Just open the light and replace the brake bulb. You can see there 3 screw, 1, 2 and 3. Open these 3 screw. I already opened. And 1/8 mm nut inside, you can see there 8 mm. Now take out the light, stop light. You can see the bulb is burned. Just need a new bulb. So I just bring a new bulb. You can see. Let's press the brake and check. Yes, it's working. Perfect. Okay.
خلاص.
So thank you for watching the video. Goodbye. Let's meet in the next video. If the video is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.